Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
Dash a digit, this schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is a
I'm at Treater right now, and I wanted to go over my bike, what I'm riding and stuff. My last bike I bought off of someone like with all the parts already on it, so I did not know a thing about it. And that bike's been falling apart. Headset was loose, cranks kept snap. It's a long story, but I got all these parts thanks to Kittrell, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go over each and every single part that's on there. So yeah, to start it off, there's 4 parts that are on this bike that are from my other bike. Number 1's the seat, 2 are the pedals, 3 is the back wheel and front wheel, pegs, sprocket, and chain. That's all that's still on this bike from my last bike. So we got Lloyd's signature frame, definitely not the Colt 2 short frame, or whatever the heck it's called. But I like this frame actually a lot, to be honest. It's a shorter end. I think it's only a 12-inch rear end, and compared to I think the 13-inch I was riding before. I actually really enjoy it. It's super nice. Integrated headset, finally have that. Integrated seat clamp, pretty nice. So moving on to the headset, I have a double headset. One half is Odyssey and the other half is some fiction, whatever. So Odyssey or fiction, Odyssey. So double headset, pretty nice. Moving on to the forks, these are S&M. No, these are Sabrosa Nostr forks. So I actually like these. They're really nice. They're more straight up and down compared to my last ones, which were bent that way. But moving on to the stem, we got a Sabrosa, I don't know what stem. Pretty nice. Pretty nice.
It's called the Sabrosa Red Stem.
Yeah, Sabrosa Red Stem. Pretty nice. Now my favorite part off of this bike, other than the frame, are the bars. S&M holder bars with some Odyssey grips on them. 9.125-inch rise. They look so nice. But yeah. All right, so I have Cinema Mission cranks. So yeah. My only issue right now is the chain is really loose because it's a shorter end. But yeah, and then I have a Odyssey Elgato 25 tooth sprocket with some Odyssey Tom Dugan signature pedals.
Tom Tebow.
That's my new signature bike. It's pretty nice, but yeah, I don't know, short little video on what I'm riding now. So I'm gonna go film the treaty vlog. Bye, peace.